Oh, I'm beat. I couldn't get it all done. Look at those big roots that I had to chop off of there. Look at that, would you? There's still more than that. My landscape wire went right in between. The root grew over it. I still got to chop that out. There's another big root there. There's another one over there. And, you know, I didn't think I was going to need this today, but you need to wear these too, because when I was digging around with my hammer, you know, pulling up roots and stuff, every once in a while a root would stick, and then I'd try to pull up and break it, and then the dirt would fly up. I got some in my eye a couple times, and I thought I should be wearing my glasses for sure. And I've got my back brace support, lumbar support on, my knee brace on. I have my gloves on. I should have wore a mask too. I've got, I don't know, I got some dust or pollen or something in my throat, and I've got to kick it for tonight. Well, that's all I have. I was out here, I'll probably, it's like 7 o'clock now, and I got out here about 1 o'clock. I still got another 6 or 7 hours to go, I imagine. Chopping that out, digging that out. There's a big huge root there. There's another big old root there. And I think I can leave that last bit. I've got to get this other piece out of here. Got everything cleaned up. I didn't want to leave it out on the grass because the grass is going to be watered in the morning. And I don't want it to start yellowing. So that's why I put these concrete curbing back off of the grass, cleaned up on the grass. Left it. That's how I like to leave the job when I get done. You know, get all my tools put away. Got my batteries charging right now so that they're full charged for tomorrow. Little by little, I'll get her done. And you will too. Just stick with it. I know you can do it. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'm glad today's over.